All right, guys, today we are out apartment hunting. We're actually looking for a bigger apartment closer to the store over here. Get up out of the area where we're at. Area where we're at is nice. A lot of expats in there, so of course everything's overpriced. So we are in an area now, just apartment hunting. The best thing to do, I think, is walk around, look for places, talk to people, talk to truck drivers. That is the best way to find an apartment here in Angeles City or around Angeles City. You know, you can go on websites and stuff, but 9 times out of 10, you're going to overpay. But like I said, best thing, walk around, get your feet on the ground. You know, if you have to stay somewhere for a month, you know, say rent an apartment, or if you can rent an apartment for a month or at a hotel or whatever for a month and go from there. But getting the feet on the ground is the best way to find an apartment around here. So that's what we're doing right now. I actually stopped and talked to the truck driver, and he pointed us into a few directions. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'll show you around the area here. It's quiet back in here. Not a lot of traffic, which I like. Yeah, you hear a few roosters, but you hear roosters everywhere. So, all right, let's see what we can find, right?
Yeah, let's hunt.
Yeah, and you guys will see the area. All right, so this is the first apartment we're looking at. It's very big in here. The stairwells goes upstairs. Nice big living room area. There are plenty of outlets here. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets here. Pretty nice sized kitchen. A lot of cabinet space. Yeah, a lot of cabinet space here. Another outlet, another outlet. Your first CR here downstairs, your toilet, sink, and shower head. And then you got a wet kitchen here. Yeah, let's head upstairs and check out the upstairs here. It's very nice. 2 bedrooms. First bedroom here. Got a space for an aircon. One outlet. Closet here. This is the 1 bedroom. And then the 2nd bedroom, which is the smaller of the 2. Lots of cabinet space. You got the bars on the window. The windows swing open and close. Yeah, nice. Pretty nice. They want 7,500 pesos for this. Nice apartment, but we're looking for its own parking area where I can pull in under like a garage that has a, you know, like a roof over top of it, so I can get the car up out of the sun and you know, plus sit outside and enjoy being outside. But anyways, $750 for this apartment. Not a bad apartment, but it doesn't have what I'm looking for outside, its own private parking area. So, but anyways, it's a nice apartment.
Safe direction.
Right. We found 2 apartments over where we're at by the store, but they told Lut it wasn't very safe in the one area. And then of course the other area, the other apartment didn't have what I'm looking for. So I'm not going to jump on anything just to move. We'll search around and we will find the right place. Some construction going on right there to the left. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for, something like this. Has its own private parking garage with a, you know, with a top on it. Because the car gets super hot. Plus, I like to sit outside. There's rooms for rent. That's not what I'm looking for. Like I said, it's quiet back in here. Get your feet on the ground. That's how you find it. Yeah. Some nice homes back in here.
That's when we do like, I like kind of yellow. Yellow.
Let's looking for a yellow apartment. Yeah. Open lot right here. Where did he say?
You should like go to the end and right side. That's it.
Go to the end on the right side. Oh no.
You see there's a lot.
I won't look at that little kitten because I'll wind up picking it up and taking it home.
I already have two. The other one, they keep coming back.
Yeah, we have another kitten that keeps, well, a smaller cat. It's actually smaller than Liberty. That sneaks into the store, and it doesn't make Liberty too happy. There's yellow. See, there's apartments here, but they don't have a top on them, and I need, like I said, I'm looking for that top. The roof, the awning in the parking garage.
Oh, that's already McDonald's outside.
Oh, that's up there, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
R&B apartment.
And there's apartments, quite a few apartment places back in here, but they don't have, like I said, they don't have the parking area that I'm looking at. See, that's what I'm looking at right there. They each have their own little parking bay. All right, so we talked to a woman who has an apartment available, and we're gonna hop in the car, go over there and check it out. She said, I pointed to the one apartment over here, and she said it's the same kind of setup. It has the carport you pull in and park. So we're gonna wait for her, and we're gonna hop in the car, and we're gonna head over there and check out this apartment. Oh guys, another thing you might want to do when you're out apartment hunting is bring your umbrella. Because it's actually starting to drizzle right now. But not only that, if the sun's out, you will fry from the sun. So look, came prepared, as you can see. So I'm sure we'll be sharing that umbrella in a little while. Oh wow, look.
Oh, thank you.
The local store just pulled up. All your home needs right here on one little trike. It's got everything. Oh no, I don't need to buy. I already got. He's got everything you need. Mops, buckets, brooms, stools that will break when I sit on them, toilet cleaners, trash cans. He has got everything. He's got mirrors, he's got dusters, he has got everything. He's got chairs. All right, so there's been a change of plans. The woman contacted the owner, and the owner said that they just rented it out. So day late and a dollar short. So, well, the journey continues. Just keep on strolling around. So we got a few leads, but look, what they do is show us how they show us the direction when we ask where they're at.
I asked them, Kuya, we're looking for apartment. They say, oh, we'll go at the end, then you go to the right, but it's not there.
You get a lot of hand gestures over there and to the right.
Or like this.
Yeah, they'll point with their lips. Oh, over there, over there. So you get a lot of hand gestures and lip gestures, but no one can give you the name of the street. Yeah, well. All right, we are in the car now, driving around. Found a place right here. Contact number, and Lut is calling them now. And the phone's probably just ringing and ringing, right? Yeah. Phone's ringing and ringing. But anyways, we got the contact number, and we'll try to contact them and check this apartment out. Here's another place we just found. That's what I'm looking for. Little garage to pull into. Looks like a little balcony up there. These are furnished and unfurnished apartments. Lut is talking to them right now. What'd they say, Lut? Oh, they will come out. So we are in business. We'll be able to check this one out. They're right here, so let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is the apartment we're looking at right now. It's a mess. People just moved out. It'll be available at the beginning of May. Has a little garage or a little carport area here, which that's what I'm looking for. Like I said, they said they'll paint everything, clean everything up, make sure everything is fine. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, own little parking area here. And let's step inside. It's kind of dark in here. There's no lighting. Nice size living room area here, dining area. Kitchen space is not too big.
There's like...
Is there a kitchen? What is that?
Like dirty kitchen.
Oh, okay. So it has, hang on a second. There's the downstairs CR. Nice size. Now this I like. Dirty kitchen out here. You can cook and keep the heat and everything out here.
And this is...
what's this here? Washroom.
Yeah, washroom.
Got a nice big washroom here. And this is what, an outside space?
Yeah.
Outside little space here. Don't know how well you can see it. Nice little outside space here. Come out here, relax.
Here you can do the laundry or something.
Well, why would you do laundry here?
No, I mean like you can hang your laundry.
Oh yeah, hang laundry out here. This is a very deep apartment. Let's check the water. See what the water pressure is like. It's decent water pressure. Got your outlet right there. Outlet right there. But I like this fact that this is an outside dirty kitchen. You can close the door, keep all the heat out there. Let's head up the steps here. Check out the upstairs. Focus. But yeah, this is unfurnished, obviously, as you can see. They do offer furnished, but I'm not interested in that.
I told her, the person who lived here, we murdered this house.
Lut says, yeah, they did murder the house. Holes in the wall. Here's the first bedroom. The smaller bedroom. One outlet.
This is each rooms.
Yeah, this would be.
That's down there is master bedroom.
Right. And CR's back here. There's a plug up top. Plug up top right there for the hot water heater. Average size bathroom. Big hallway. Then you have the master bedroom. Wow, yeah, they did murder this place. Wrote on the door and everything. Master bedroom, very nice big bedroom here. Now they'll paint everything up and clean everything up, make sure everything works.
Yes.
Yes. This is the girl that's showing us the apartment. What's your name again?
I'm
Ira.
Ira.
Ira is showing us the apartment. Here's what's really nice too. It has an outside deck here. Little seating area right out here in the deck. A little outlet right there. Yeah, they wrote all over the walls and everything. This would be the view. I actually kind of like this. I think it'll be nice once it's cleaned up. I really like the fact you have this little outside deck here. And the parking. And it's 2 bedrooms, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Available when?
First week of May.
First week of May.
Yes.
And then,
Because they can't let you in first right now because they're going
well, sure, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't want to move in now. It needs major cleaning and painting.
painting,
Yeah.
cleaning, making sure everything is worked.
Right.
Yes.
All right, so here's the price of the apartment.
That was
12,000 pesos a month. That's what we're paying now, and we got a lot less in here. And so now we're going to go talk to the woman and see what we got to do to, say, hold the place for us. So yeah, that's the next step, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so here is the update on the apartment. I asked him how we could hold it for, for a couple weeks. And he told us give him 5,000 pesos and he would hold it. And if we decide to go with the apartment, that we'll use that towards our deposit. He has contractors coming in tomorrow. They'll be there for 10 days, he said. So you know what, I got the 2 weeks there. He told me I could stop by anytime, check out the apartment, check out the progress of it. He said they're gonna paint it from top to bottom, replace the screens, replace the doors, replace the light fixtures. Anything that needs replaced, it has been damaged or destroyed, they'll replace it. And like I said, paint it from top to bottom. Great old couple, Filipino couple. They lived in the States for 35 years. Retired, came back here to the Philippines, and running this apartment. There's quite a few apartments here that he has. And he told me he actually has one retired U.S. military guy living in one of the apartments. Quiet neighborhood, quiet street. It's not like a cut-through street. It's not like a street that has a lot of traffic on it. But anyways, guys, that's how you find an apartment. When you first get here, look for, maybe try to find a cheap hotel room or something, or an Airbnb, something. Just don't lock yourself into a contract. Like I said, there's sites out there that you can check out, and there's apartments, and more than likely they're going to overcharge you for what you get. How do I know this? Because I know people that have used different sites and rented apartments and found out how bad they were being taken advantage of. But anyways, guys, that's how you do it. Get your feet on the ground, get numbers, and I guarantee you, you'll find an apartment. But anyways, guys, I think this week I want to get Liberty in for his shots, get that checked out, and the journey continues, and we'll talk to you later.